Hello everybody, it's once again time to clean the floor. Today's product is Xtra Pine Natural. Back in the 90s, when I was a janitor, I used this quite a bit, and it was a good product. Let's take a look at it. I guess they're trying to be green now. It's the same outfit that makes the Pine now. It's the website detail. It's really having a hard time zooming in on that green on brown, but hopefully that comes out good enough to see. Pause if you want to see something a little bit more carefully. Pine oil strength. I don't know the amount of pine oil in this. It contains pine oil. That's a good thing. Okay, enough looking at the bottle. Let's mop. Let's get the cloudiness view going here. As usual, 1 capful per gallon. We have cloudage. Here's a look at the cloudage. Let's get to mopping. That smells quite lovely. I think it'll clean this floor nicely. And we'll go over it a second time. Not a super strong pine scent, but it smells pretty darn good. And there we are. And here's the after. Picked up quite a bit of dirt and debris. So once again, this has been Cleaning the Floor with Xtra Pine Natural. Thank you for watching.